hold on a second. She's got one little black and blue piece right on her arm. We need to put cuffs on somebody.
And guess, but you know what was funny? They took a picture of the black and blue, and here's the funny shit. It wasn't black and blue. It was red, meaning I was, like
just barely, right. Like just putting pressure.
And the judge looked at it and goes, "This does not." He goes, "We blew the picture up." He goes, "There's no." But that fucking district attorney, he was such a little gay dude. He was just like a fucking simping for women. He was just like, "No, I want to see him do time. Take a dick in the ass." Like, I would go out, I'd come back in, go out. Yo, I was there like 6 fucking hours. I was like, well, where's the cop that I supposedly flipped over the hood of the fucking car or I broke his foot? Guess what?
Didn't show up, did he?
No.
Of course not.
And the case got delayed 3 fucking times. Of course, I have to pay for the lawyer. Each time he shows up, And then he goes, "You want me to dismiss?" I said, "Really?" I said, he goes, "Well, it's $500 an hour." Like, so, whatever. Look, I think also all this shit about fucking guys and women's sports and all of that, if they're allowing all of this shit, this and that, they should change the fucking laws and flip them on the fucking domestic violence. Because, a lot of guys don't get me wrong, 90% of the guys are fucking idiots. They beat the fuck out of their women. And I don't mean a slap, send her, knock her glasses off type shit. No, I'm talking about they fucking full body like
Mike Tyson. I'm like,
they just be like, toom. That's that's what it is, But the law, it needs to go the right way. They need to change that shit. And I don't know, man. It's just BS. Everything is in the woman's favor. And especially if you have a fucking conniver and, she knows this, she knows that. Oh, that's it. You're going to pay me this and you're going to pay me that. I could have been a dick and I could have fucking turned around and did child support 17% of your fucking pay. I could have been like, oh, you have to pay me fucking alimony. I could have did all of that shit. I just like, bitch, leave. Like, bitch, leave. Like, get the fuck.
Like, you had enough.
She's calling the cops every fucking other week. If I fart, she's like, oh, he's annoying me. He just tooted so loud. He's in my space.
He's getting loud.
Like,
he's getting aggressive.
I got Trump calling her going, listen, everybody's got gas to pass. Just leave it be.
Quit being a bitch.
Yeah, quit being a bitch. Stop being.
Grab you by the pussy.
Yeah,
enough.
Let him grab you by the pussy.
Enough.
Be like Melania. You came here illegally. Shut the fuck up.
Not even in office yet, and you're doing all this shit.
Yeah, 100%, bro.
Yeah.
But look, let's get off that fucking topic.